Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to solve exercise question from book Topics in Algebra from chapter 4 Vector Spaces and Modules. This question consists of two parts. So part A is if f is a field of real numbers, prove that the vectors 1 1 0 0, 0 1 minus 1 0 and 0 0 0 3 in F4 are linearly independent over field F. Before proving this, firstly we need to recall the concept of linear dependence and independence in a vector space. Let V over F is a vector space. The vectors v1, v2, vn in V are said to be linearly dependent over field F if there exist n number of scalars, say a1, a2, an in field F, not all of them 0, such that the linear combination a1 v1 plus a2 v2 plus and so on plus an vn is equal to 0. Or in other words, we can say these n scale n vectors v1 v2 vn in vector space V are linearly dependent if we consider their linear combination is equal to 0. Then not all of the scalars a1 a2 an are 0. That is, we are getting at least one ai which is not equal to 0. Now on the other hand, if we consider this linear combination is equal to 0 and if we get all scalars a1 a2 an equal to 0, then we say that these n number of vectors v1 v2 vn in V are linearly independent over field F. So proof. Here we have F is a field of real numbers and let V is equal to R4, that is Cartesian product of field R with itself 4 times. Now here this is our field and this is our vector space. Let V1 is the vector 1 1 0 0, V2 is the vector 0 1 minus 1 0 and V3 is the vector 0 0 0 3. Next, for any three scalars, say ABC in R, consider the linear combination AV1 plus BV2 plus CV3, which is equal to A multiplied by 1 1 0 0, B multiplied by 0 1 minus 1 0 and C multiplied by 0 0 0 3. After simplifying this, we get this linear combination is equal to this vector a comma a plus b comma minus b comma 3c. Now let us consider this linear combination is equal to 0 vector in R4. So as this linear combination is a 0 vector in R4, we have the vector a comma a plus b comma minus b comma 3c is equal to 0 vector. Now since both these two vectors are equal, so their coordinates must be same. So we get this system a equal to 0, a plus b is equal to 0, minus b equal to 0 and 3c equal to 0, and we call this system as star. Then after solving the system star, we get a equal to 0, b equal to 0 and c equal to 0. So from the definition of linearly independent vectors, we can conclude that since we have considered this linear combination is equal to 0 and we get all these three scalars is equal to 0, so these three vectors v1 v2 v3 in vector space R4 are linearly independent over field R. Now next part is part B. What conditions on the characteristic F would make the three vectors in part A, that is v1 v2 v3, linearly dependent? So before finding this condition, we need to recall the definition of characteristic of a field. So if there exists a positive integer n such that na is equal to 0 for each element A of a field F, the smallest such positive integer n is called the characteristic of field F. Now in case if no such positive integer exists, then F is said to have the characteristic 0. Note that in our first part A, our field F is field of reals and characteristic of field of real is 0. Now, if F is a field with characteristic 3, here we are considering F is a field whose characteristic is 3, then for system star we have, this is our system star, and we are considering F is a field of characteristic 3. Now from this system, clearly A and B are 0. But 3C is equal to 0 will not imply C is equal to 0. I will elaborate this with one example. So consider for an example, F is a field which is Z3 and characteristic of this field Z3 is 3. Then if C is 1, which is element of Z3, we have 3C will be 3 times 1, which is 3, and we know that 3 is 0 in Z3. But C, which is 1 in Z3, is non-zero. So if characteristic of field F is 3, then by this example we have, if we consider this linear combination is equal to 0, then AB will be 0, but C may not be 0. That is, C may be a non-zero scalars. Since here C is a non-zero number in field Z3 whose characteristic is 3. So this implies the vectors V1 which is 1 1 0 0, V2 which is 0 1 minus 1 0, and V3 which is 0 0 0 3 are linearly dependent from definition of linear dependence of vectors in a vector space. So the condition is that the characteristic of field F should be 3. So under these conditions, these three vectors in part A will become linearly dependent, and this proves our result.